Hi, in this week's video, I wanted to share with you how I make this Yemenite soup that is completely delicious and full of flavor. These are the ingredients that you'll be needing: onions, potatoes, garlic, some cilantro and parsley, Hawaij seasoning mix for soup. I have lamb over here that I have already mixed with 2 tablespoons of Hawaij spice and 1 tablespoon of salt, some diced up tomatoes, and some lamb fat. Into your soup pot, place about 2 tablespoons of your lamb fat. If you don't have lamb fat, that's completely fine. You could just add in 2 tablespoons of any desired oil of your choice. The lamb fat just creates more depth of flavor. You'll just mix that around and add in your lamb or beef that's already been cubed up and has been marinating with the Hawaij spice and salt. Brown the meat on all sides until it has a nice golden color. You will see some crusting develop on your pot, which is amazing because that has all the flavor and all of the best tasting little bits that you're going to be deglazing when you're going to add in your chicken stock. Start by chopping up your onions into thin chunks, thin strips that you will be placing into the pot of soup, as well as slicing your garlic into thin slivers. Remove your browned meat into a separate plate and start placing in your onions and garlic to start sauteing. Start scraping off all those incredible pieces that are stuck to the bottom of the pan that are all full of flavor. If you find that your onions need a little bit of help, you could add in some oil or some water. Add in another 2 tablespoons of the Hawaij spice and start mixing the ingredients. After sauteing the onions and garlic for about 5 minutes, add in your crushed tomatoes or just diced up tomatoes. You need about 1 cup of that, and saute that as well for an additional 5 minutes. To that, add in your browned beef and fill up the pot with chicken stock, or what I do when I don't have chicken stock is I put chicken consomme seasoning in with some boiling water. To the soup pot, add in a few sprigs of cilantro and parsley, cover the lid and let it come to a boil. After it comes into a boil, remove that little film that develops on the top and discard that film. Add in the potatoes and let the soup cook for an hour to 2 hours. The longer you cook it, the more softer the meat will get and the more the flavors develop. Before serving, add in some more cilantro and parsley and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you liked what you see. Thank you so much for watching.